let's take a look at the alignment for some postures in Ashtanga Yoga. For this challenging transition, you basically need to activate all your muscles to stay as one stick parallel to the floor. Try not to lower too low in the beginning, so you can build up the strength. Your hips should be in one line with the spine, as well as your neck. Your shoulders are strong and away from the ears, and your elbows are in a 90 degrees angle and close to the body. You can start from several positions, mostly from standing, and then you either jump back, just pay attention to bend the elbows before the feet are landing, and the feet should be hip-width apart. Or you just simply step back. If you don't have the force yet to hold the position, just lower your knees. It is worth it to train this posture regularly, and I hope this video helped you. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time when we look at Urdhva Mukha Svanasana.